One of the tools that we're going to be using all the time as we do enterprise management of our checkpoint devices is an application called Smart Console. And one of the first questions that we can ask ourselves is, Smart Console, where download it can I? And the answer to that is we can open up an HTTPS session over to our manager, and then from the web user interface, there's an option for downloading Smart Console. So we can download Smart Console to our PC, install it, and then after launching Smart Console, use it to administer our checkpoint devices. So here from our client admin PC, let's go ahead and connect to the web user interface on our security manager. And that's at 192.168.1.110. We'll log on as admin. We'll supply the password, and we'll click on Login. From here on the Overview section, we have a link right here where we can download the Smart Console application. And also over here on the left-hand side, if we scroll down, if we click here, there's also an option to download Smart Console. So either way we do it, it's fine. We're going to download it to our administration PC and then install it. And for the benefit of time, I've already installed Smart Console on this PC. And right here on our desktop, we have a shortcut for it, and we also have a shortcut here in our taskbar. So if we click on that in the taskbar, it's going to launch Smart Console. We then put in the IP address of our security manager, which is at .110, and the password for admin. And then with that supplied, we'll click Login. And it's here from this application called Smart Console that we're going to be doing most of our administration of our checkpoint devices. In this nugget, we've taken a look at Smart Console, including where to download it from, and also an introductory look at the interface that Smart Console gives us for managing our network. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.